There you go, Rudy. Frosty and Holly are passed out. Hi, Evie. Oh, that's Cookie. Here's Evie. Oh, Evie, you love your mama? You love your mama? Hey, what you doing with cookies? What you doing with cookies? Good girl. Oh, you guys love your mama? Pixie, what you doing? You in your mama's shirt? Oh, Rudy's down for the count. You playing, Vixie? You playing? I mean, Cookie? You playing, Cookie? You playing with your mama? Oh, Cookie. No nursing. These guys will go to whatever lengths to get into that shirt. You'd be surprised. They weasel their way in through a little opening in the leg. They'll try and nurse. Evie. No nursing, guys. That's over. The milk bar is officially closed. Shut down. What you doing, Cookie Monster? You being silly? You being silly? Playing with your mama? Play with your mama? Gentle, Emma. Oh, Evie. No, everyone's winding down and passing out, except for Cookie, apparently. Gentle, Emma. Gentle, Cookie. Uh-oh. You gonna get it, Rudy? Get it, Rudy. You gonna get it, Emma? Oh, Cookie, Don't get in there, Cookie. Good girl, Rudy, look at you. Acrobatics. Hi, Vixie. I just realized that Vixie looks exactly like the RCA dog. I gotta do a photo comparison. Vixie, are you the RCA dog? Are you the RCA dog? Hi, Evie. Hi, Evie. Gotta watch Cookie like a hawk. She's gonna try and get in there and nurse. Weasel her way right in. Don't chew up her shirt, Cookie. You playing with your mama, Rudy? You playing with your mama?